In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a profile picture instead of video in Zoom. If you want Zoom to display your profile photo when your camera is off, the first thing you need to do is make sure your profile picture is uploaded correctly to your account. This is a quick setup, and once it's done, Zoom can use that image in place of live video whenever your camera is disabled. Start by opening Zoom Workplace on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options related to your Zoom settings and profile. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Zoom account inside the desktop app. In the settings window, click on Profile. This section contains your account details and gives you access to profile-related options. Next, select Edit My Profile. When you click this, Zoom will open your profile settings in the Zoom web portal. This is where you can update the image tied to your account. Once you're on the web portal, click on your current profile picture. If you haven't uploaded one before, this may appear as a placeholder image instead. Clicking it will give you the option to upload a new photo from your device. Choose the picture you want to use. It's a good idea to pick a clear image that represents you well, since this is what other participants may see during meetings when your video is turned off. A simple headshot or a clean, professional-looking photo usually works best. After selecting the image, follow the prompts if Zoom asks you to adjust or crop it. When everything looks good, click Save. This confirms the change and updates your Zoom profile picture. After that, your new profile image will be connected to your account. In meetings, when your camera is off, Zoom can display this picture instead of showing live video, depending on your meeting setup and account behavior. If you don't see the change right away, try closing and reopening Zoom so the update can refresh properly. That's all it takes. Uploading a profile photo is the key step to